Can you actually earn $400 per day from YouTube Shorts? Well, yes! I'm going to show you proof that a lot of guys are making millions of dollars from YouTube Shorts monthly. But before I start, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, where I teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be notified and you can start implementing what you've learned. Before I show you the website for creating YouTube Shorts, you need to first create a PayPal account for free. You can get started by visiting paypal.com. Go ahead and click this button over here. Just provide the required information and log into your PayPal account. You can also create a bank account online using Google if you don't like using PayPal option. If you're anticipating to start making money as soon as possible, then you need to keep watching this video as I will show you how you can get paid right now. This has never been shared on YouTube, and the best part is it's completely free, has no social media following, no prior skills, no experience, and works in all countries. Now that we are on YouTube, and all I have to do is search for Shorts, and that's going to pull up the Shorts shelf. It's called the Shorts shelf, and as you can see here, there are people getting millions of views. If we scroll down a bit, the views just keep increasing, and if we take a look at this particular Shorts from this channel right here, it has more than 1 million views, and they've uploaded it a day ago. Now I want to show you how people are making millions of dollars of this. Let's go ahead and jump into the exact step-by-step strategy. We're going to visit YouTube and we're going to search using hashtags Shorts plus fitness, and that's going to pull up all of the Shorts videos related to fitness, and we're going to see how many views these Shorts are getting. As you can see right here, more than 30 million views from this one uploaded 3 months ago. This one, more than 50 million views uploaded 7 months ago. And if we scroll down, more than 6 million views just 7 months ago. This is actually a niche that not a lot of people are taking advantage of with the YouTube Shorts. But it's one of the biggest niches here on YouTube, which is fitness, because obviously there are a lot of people who want to get fit for this summer. They want to have perfectly fit bodies, and they want to learn how they can build muscle or just lose fat. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started in this niche. That's untapped with the YouTube Shorts and how you can start potentially earning from it without Google Ads revenue, but from other monetization sources. The first step you need to take is to choose a niche, and I've already chosen that for you. Now the second step we need to take is to go and research an article that will give us good content, and this content will be used in the creation of the short video. Now on this website, I'll check for the 6 best exercises to grow your biceps. This is a very popular search term here on YouTube. People learn how to grow their arms and get bigger biceps. Now if you scroll down, you'll find 6 different types of moves, and we're going to utilize them. Okay, so we have easy bar curls, preacher curls, dumbbell curls, concentration curls, and rope curls. So we're going to use some of these curls. I searched for dumbbell curls, and I found a bunch of images that we can go ahead and use. We can use this image right here, download it and save on your computer. I proceed to search for cable curls, and I found this image that fits in the mobile style. So I went ahead and saved this one here, and then I searched for another one which is concentration curls. And I found a picture of Arnold Schwarzenegger himself doing concentration curls. So 3 different biceps variations. Now we're going to make an educational short video that people would love to watch, because it's teaching them something, especially if they're looking on how to build their biceps or grow bigger arms. I save 3 photos and then I visit canva.com and search for mobile video, create a blank mobile video template right here, press plus, and that will open up right here. Okay, so I go ahead and drag the 3 images here and size them appropriately. If you're learning something different in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. You could size the images like this. I went ahead and made the background black. After that, you can press animate on this photo right here and go to photo zoom to make it look nice, just like a video, even though it's just an image. We can also add text to it. We can make this text white so it will show through. As you can see, 3 exercises for 20-inch arms, as shown here. That's number 1. We can move on to the next. Number 2 will be cable curl, and number 3 will be concentration curl, so that's very cool. I set up that YouTube Shorts video basically 5 seconds long in each clip. So it's 15 seconds long, which is the standard length for YouTube Shorts videos. And all I had to do was drag and drop the image in here and add some text. Click on the image, add photo zoom on each one of them, and now it's like a video. And I'm going to go ahead and press play so you can see what it looks like right here. So this is the video and it looks very nice. And then it does a little transition to cable curl, and then it does this last transition into concentration curl. Now we have a cool educative YouTube Shorts video, and people are going to want to watch it till the end, which is the main objective of YouTube Shorts, and that is to have the user watching all the way throughout the whole video. The next step is to go ahead and download this video to our computer, which we'll upload to our channel later. What we're going to do now is we're going to monetize the video via an affiliate product. All I need to do is visit clickbank.com and search for biceps. I choose clickbank.com because it's an affiliate network with a bunch of different digital products you can promote, and they have digital products like this one. When I searched for biceps, I found multiple ones in here. If we scroll down, we can see this one right here with this title, and if we scroll down below, there are more of those weight gain and weight loss blueprints and products about how to build muscle. I will just select this one here. After selecting, we will go ahead and go with this one and just click it. It's a $30 commission, so for each person that purchases this product through your special link, you're going to earn $30, and this is crazy. With so many people viewing these shorts and purchasing them, you can easily make $700 or even $2,000 per day simply promoting an affiliate product with your shorts. All you need to do is click on promote, grab your link, come over to YouTube, upload that YouTube Shorts video to your YouTube channel, and you could write 3 ways to grow your arms, #shorts, and then in the description, you can write get the secret blueprint for your building muscle mass. And then you're going to go ahead and put your ClickBank link right here, which is your affiliate link, and whoever watches the video and clicks on your link to purchase the product, you're going to earn money. This is very easy to implement and not time-consuming. If you're just joining us and you don't understand how it works, you can watch the video starting from the beginning till the end once again. If you want to know how you can make $1,000 from Fiverr for free, click here.